Welcome back to Army Recognition's Defense Web TV News, your trusted daily source for comprehensive global military coverage. Each day we deliver the most significant defense developments supported by dynamic video reports spanning land, air and naval operations. Turkiye's Baykar Kızılelma flight tested ASELSAN MURAD active electronically scanned air radar, a step designed to unlock full air-to-air combat functionality. The test, highlighted by Baykar's official announcement, signals the program's move from weapons carriage trials to networked sensor-led air combat roles, as reported by Baykar's technologies. For Turkey's maturing unmanned fighter ecosystem, the event matters because it couples a stealthy drone with a domestic fire control radar and indigenous electro-optical targeting suite. It also aligns with ASELSAN's broader 6th-generation air combat vision across Kaan and key drones, including Kızılelma.
Baykar Kızılelma is Turkey's carrier-capable, low-observable UCAV evolving toward near and eventually supersonic variants, and it's just taken a major step toward full combat autonomy. The latest configuration integrates ASELSAN MURAD AESA fire control radar and the Toygun electro-optical targeting system, giving the platform multispectral sensing and weapon queuing that no longer depends on foreign suppliers. MURAD brings modern fighter-class radar abilities, agile electronic beam steering, simultaneous air-to-air and air-to-ground modes, digital beamforming, gain amplification, and resilient solid-state transmit-receive modules, enabling beyond visual range search, multi-target tracking, and missile guidance. Toygun supplies passive, high-fidelity identification and terminal queuing, letting the UCAV prosecute BVR and WVR engagements while minimizing emissions and resisting jamming. Kızılelma's flight test program has been rapid. The third production prototype flew on 25 September 2024 with upgraded airframe and avionics. In early 2025, it completed aerodynamic and maneuver system identification and engine validation. By late September and October, it entered weapons carriage trials. In October 2025, Baykar announced live fire hits with domestically produced munitions Tolun and Tabor 82. That progression from maiden flight to integrated weapons release in under 13 months makes radar-equipped combat flights the logical next phase. With the domestic fire control radar now flight tested, Kızılelma can integrate Turkey's Göktuğ missile family, Bozdoğan for short-range WVR shots and Gökdoğan for BVR engagements, as software and stores management converge. Operationally, this compresses Turkey's path to a sovereign layered air combat construct, a stealthy networked UCAV working with platforms like Kaan and the carrier TCG Anadolu to extend persistent BVR coverage, support air policing and maritime control, and force adversaries to expend high-value assets against a lower-cost, attritable system that can still fight back.
The next phase will focus on missile integration, multi-target tracking, and electronic warfare resilience, transforming Kızılelma from a test platform into a key element of Turkey's sovereign layered air combat architecture. Stay tuned to Army Recognition's Defense Web TV News for continuous updates on developments in defense and security. And join us for End of the Week review, where we break down the most important and significant developments across land, air, and sea.